Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. So we've been learning how to tell time in French, and you've learned how to ask the question, what time is it? Which is, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? You've learned how to say it's 1 o'clock, il est 1 heure. It's 2 o'clock, il est 2 heures. It's 3 o'clock, il est 3 heures. It's 4 o'clock, il est 4 heures. It's 5 o'clock, il est 5 heures. And so forth and so on. You've also learned how to add minutes after the hour. For example, it's 1:05 is il est 1h05. It's 1:10, il est 1h10. It's 2:12, il est 2h12. It's 3:20, il est 3h20. It's 5:25, il est 5h25. So in this video, we are going to learn how to use what is called the subtraction method. So when you get to the half hour, past the half hour to the next hour, you can say the time as you see it. For example, if you wanted to say 6:35, you could say, or it is 6:35, you can say, il est 6h35. However, the subtraction method is most commonly used. And the way that works is you go up to the next hour, and then you subtract the amount of minutes to that next hour. So instead of saying it is 6:35, you would literally say it is 7 minus 25. So 7 minus 25 gives you 6:35 if you do the math. So the way to say that in French is, can you guess? The only word that you're missing is minus, which is moins. So you would say, il est 7h moins 25. Il est 7h moins 25. If you say il est 6h35 or il est 7h moins 25, it means the same thing. They both mean 6:35. Okay, so let's try another example. It's 8:40. If you want to just say it as it is, 8:40, you would say il est 8h40. Il est 8h40. The other way to say this would be to say it's 9 minus 20. So 9 hours minus 20, literally. Il est 9h moins 20. Il est 9h moins 20. Il est 9h moins 20. 10:50, you can say, literally, it's 10:50. Il est 10h50. Il est 10h50. Or you can say it's 11 minus 10. Il est 11h moins 10. Il est 11h moins 10. Il est 11h moins 10. Well, that is a nutshell is telling time using the subtraction method. Remember that you can only use it from the half hour to the hour. You can't go back more than 29 minutes using the subtraction method. So thanks for watching, and to continue learning about time, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.